Hello, fellow Chinese language learners. Welcome to Chinese Patterns, where I teach you basic Mandarin Chinese grammar points and other things that are useful for learning Chinese as well. My name is Bai Lao Shi. Please press the like button and hit subscribe after watching this if you found it useful. Now let's get started. This lesson is a continuation of the previous lesson, Chinese Patterns number 5. If you haven't watched the previous lesson, it might be a good idea to watch that first. Today, I will teach you another way to make yes or no questions, that is, closed questions. Just to be clear, these are questions that can be answered with yes or no. Now, let's get to the sentence pattern. It is subject plus a verb plus the Chinese word bu, which means no or not, plus a verb, and plus maybe an object. Before we get much farther, we should make a few things clear. 1. The two verbs in the pattern are the same verbs. So for example, if the first verb was yao, which means to want, the second verb in the pattern would also be yao. 2. If you don't know what an object is, it is the thing a verb acts upon. Usually the object comes after the verb. So for example, in English, if we were to say, Tom likes dogs, like is the verb and dogs is the object. 3. The parentheses in the sentence pattern means having an object isn't always necessary. So don't feel like there has to be an object. In certain cases, there won't be one. Now let's make a few examples. 你是不是工程师? Are you an engineer? 爸爸要不要? Does dad want it? No, in this example, there is no object. 奶奶喜欢不喜欢看电影? Does grandma like watching movies? 玛丽去不去中国? Is Mary going to China? Simple, right? Now, before we finish this lesson, you should know one common verb that is a special case, and that is 有, to have. Here's the thing. You can use today's pattern with 有, but it has to be modified slightly. Instead of 不, you're going to say 没, which also means no. I won't be getting into all the nuances between these two words in usage and meaning because it isn't necessary for this lesson. But the one thing to take special note of is that 不 never ever goes with 有. Never. It is always 没有. Now, let's roll out the pattern when using 有. Subject plus 有没有 plus an object. And with that, let's make a couple of 有 examples. 大卫有没有书包? Does David have a book bag? 马明有没有车? Does Ma Ming have a car? Well, there it is. The lesson is finished. I hope this way of making yes or no questions is clear to you now if it wasn't before. If you liked this video and or found it useful, please be sure to press the like button and subscribe. Thank you. 谢谢. And please come again. Until next time, 下次再见.